Miami party NPP former parties and mekana. Omi enema ni bi podu ba bia na fere na tai. What am I say? Enema mu na ho. Se contract ange bia ye san o mampani ni garage ana ne bedroom. Ye wi ana de ko obi anhwe mu bia na. Ana se en o mampani betra so de start ya na.
Dabi.
I didn't start here when I started
2022.
2022, Sabi Anyado. Satam one lady president.
Nanado dan Akufo Addo.
If 2022, I be doing the 2026, and I'm
yes.
Yeah, 4 years. And this is what you say.
1 year.
1 year. Tia then I'm with you to say, I dear beer, yeah, no sumasi. And near me, costing in a negina, your friends are big enough.
Yes.
And the soon negina no more to create to near me in a copy say, NPP lose you and this buy. On buy no more twice in echo. Nese mi pe mi busasa anya bia Ibrahim Aman and ho omohi ana sabiom anyado ade papa ebe omam ompe I say lumba busua what ma say ade papa ebe ompe ti ade fonko an ompe sa na ompe na because I won say Ibrahim Aman adwuma de ma ye ne ma bibini ya ne nati kromu a na no blaster ye we to all za brofo no companies omutu abrofo do say the baby who am contribute to we na ne no Ibrahim Aman is saying about
$5 million.
And the KGF for over saying about 10 million. 10 million. Omo to you, Papa Heya no mutia.
$10 million.
$10 million KGF.
On the Wanyaska.
What man say? And what man say?
Sika o do Ghana and Zamuno.
And what the buy?
Can you now cry?
You won't conform with so sikadeko. They may refer to her. Okay. Your company is a mutu way. Well, I have brought for the DNA. You want to that what among ya waya ni you go do almost 1 day we come here me chrome Kenya asia Monday Wednesday Saturday helicopter call e ko fa gudie de besen. Wow, I'm telling you helicopter ko siwo na ko pick na de aba Monday Wednesday Saturdays 3 days interval e ko fa de ba ni nyina mo twe de ko anya bia ye pa bibi o se company na bafo ededa no no o mo ba be contribute ba e bi no do 5 million na de ne 10 no wa ba 1 million na 500 na o de be ba. It is in Yankupon Yadom ya Ibrahim Aman from Maimu. Nessa bibi or Maimu Nessa ya Mano, then call Baba and why ye, no the Abois, and also Miniamu Minoma cum. Yet to crow M1 ya Pega away, a box is okay. A that box I know, okay for same pony. Oh, Asante Bediatuo. Yeah, you the man. Yeah. Box I suppose someone tells you. We are young another buyer who buy ye giddy no G and Adama China Fubi. What is that the animal China for no? Say, who call you here? As someone goes to say, box item 1.120. I be Bassa. I don't call some walk on one collab anymore and call out your own papa. Who's the who China near who to identify? To be a member China for the beginner or by a picnic crow and Colana Bay or Mobile cream and a high. What must I say? And for so be a Massadam Bagicoma, I am on Frafo. Because of percentage I'm open you said you some part papa o man mo Ibrahim Amatwe sikadi obenye biano ye de hwenko fo so we no na no tamen second so do ma chokokosi ye bi bia koso o man bia nko fo yare nko fo nya kidney ne nema wo man so no do ko asane akwasa duduo ni nyina na ode ye obi nyamwa bia na ode boa adwuma ne so wo ye de man ye se de man se ye de man kokwa mu o ade ne opi bi bia so hwem bia betima hwem se di Ibrahim na nya omudi o se di emitri hu eti ayi wo opposition na se wo pese oba power bi bia ba opposition na eti hu nyine nkon kan se boni bi na me yenti nkofo to abeti am sei eti na mabadi a ade ande na se me support de anya ni eni kwasem support me no ka sanya na entry is always to for the Ibrahim reflect into quite yes once I don't want some conflict of interest me tiase se brofo no so tiase me na me tiase I don't know ya high bibi on ho or the chani free se no me brown fan kono fam na eno so na wodi kum na no tum for kwaje ode kwa na na mo anka me ne wo kasa me ma wenne 2 weeks away anim NPP mpanifo no se na do anfa ntu kwa ba Bawumia betu kwa sampanifo 1 2 3 ba ko jata no wo mo ko busa niwa no omo akobu se ni wan so bosom de tukwai de aduro ne bebu godin omo ye kra gu nipa ni maselo do ade ne ba mo be ko hunto kwasa enso so bu ye no akobu sa no de amamo mo ebi obi di epeda ko Germany some MPP for e kafa plane ho no mama private jet no no wakoto no me ka cho se me ma na otu na otu me nu miensa se na do anfra ayi Bawumia befro e frikufuo na do Bawumia on the floor ebi ko Germany ebi ko Australia ade flight a player and do amoko
wow
ya sha dan ya din ni efimu mo ha gina man somebody ka say kan ebeka when penifo mu di animo de bibi ba na mo kwakwaje me no ka say omo me press conference Sunday Friday if you are that much so mane mo be 10 to 9 to 10 ko he go the house animo wo be ko no masalai Ibrahim na du ba bi odi na animo ha be di nachi otimi ya papa bone enkrofo na wo mo papa no omoa na eku omoa na esel omoa na etete so da bia wo papa wo de wan yankopon bon sa no ball no
ana na obaje say omo ye press conference mo bebre no
minority from go dudu na Ibrahim mama na chow mo omo pa mo na ne nyina ye bodua wo bible che bible de che ye mfa ne mamu from minority from go e be say 80% Ibrahim na chow mo omo be ko election ni ade nyina obia be ko akoje eni kotoku akọ
oh wow
I'm telling you eso ade de omo say babonte aba pretend this is Ibrahim omo ni da obia na no ka say go there so omo amu da na ana no office na we no jack nje won ko da na mutiti papa je ba nko anonye ade bi ode be ba omo ani obaso so a enye ono nko an person we make sure say obia ga na ni bia e be nyam be enjoy obia fa so office so ni ade sa eya man takwa da ma we wam na tu so na company bi wa na me boa and so no process no see eje from some ade ma we
yes
sata na nye local
na foreign
omo be tu tumu ni ma nyina ade ko kakra ka ade ma bibini na bibini enkoto aso no bibini mi na odi kum ade na ade ma bibini na enkoto aso na do ba ye no na busuani ko fa bibi esisei na do ba na busuani na we appointment na we contract what's some man when you make an appointment or ye nyina wo for case don na koto ayi wo wie bra bo mebu akonte bo no so wo ma waka US op resident ayi permit o ma bi yatia no na vice president ayi Bawumia wono na konta na se o mu nyina ya position na antimami enka na do ne bag girl ya man we under bridge so kaya one no church ho say ya dia no ye say emra ne papa lusu election no ja we no o ja mi twa no court ho that you know the China said their contract who ye juma ye via bato na usimajai up to now call for airport and the bridge or draw ni man oja draw you know e dia na wom no draw cha Ghana na e di papa lusu do jaya na and I said their contract question me bisa no musu am ntofo nyina mo appointment dey come se da bi ya tikwa we mu sata COVID-19 bae so kai
yes
one of the na ni yire o Nigeria ni on na ogigi 150 Ghana cedis airport so kaya
$150
e airport wo gigi akunta moment memu enum ne yakasa nyewu nyese obi
apo de seskere nyina akutia covid yare
ya covid yare
ana Ghana
Ghana no onya bibi seska we ada na so the contract obi buy ya Guinness kano this answer the man obi ni onipa ni wi $150 ono ma $20 $30
se machine ni eni bi
e
machine ni
na mu check bibi wo mu check o mo so Islebo hotel no mo fele ni ma ya ma so achia che opongu ai hotel se go ne do abetum udu opani ama e quarantine na wo no ye twa ntro manu se covid ba ni pewu wo obi on next door we obi wuda who covid patient oba bi da ni busa question we mu wunya obi da maka wunya no busa chance mi bia me na bia ma no obi ya le da enso da bia mu twa ntro se nkofo ni bi wu e bi yare ni ade mo trance no mo draw chart no eno ase na musa na etuko eno mo BT eno mo giska eno bi ni yaka nya Ibrahim ma no ko pay contract ko pay contract e mu da opa efa mu ne nyina na sha ade na se yan ni di hu yan komra yan nya ne ma nyina mbetu ka se mo ani di hu sata ma process ni start na ko no bibia nkwa NPP ni bia o yes ani mo wen na be dum pempenso ena ne bra be di president na ba be hia ti ko nya me enko free no adwuma na okwakoye we Ghana ni ese mo na adwuma na so ye no ani ye moti o ma we mu ma contract yet problem ne ka say am obi street light okay
yeah
papa be yiri street light even no coffee say no she quantity street light dudu ade ma na hefa NDC for so ka ho bi o mse nya atwo ba e o ka ho asem da street light ya mo ba akukọ ekwe mu obi abeso obo no akoto ne de eti de ade ma na contract no region be no de call ye yet problem ne ma ayi chama wuntumi ye man contract ni adare wa anya ba akokra
contract
what was the road contract wa nko ba road ni wo and this car quaggy yanga who cran or dinner and no be near cow and you will be on no I'm making sure say or pejumania manajuma or not this cacoton the machines baby juma the answer by the benefit a month a week and night in Sameka it may be and will be a surrender Ibrahim will be a surrender Ibrahim mama but never power no way and the Biana some of Ibrahim mama Ghana come business be a hanum be on the panel no mohano Sabianyado will be a new papa who dream positive man will be a negative in the mouth. Ibrahim drew by be a nipa will be make sure to be a one who na Eberson and son of you. NPP for who no bona bombo will be biamamo. Yet the crew when penning for near near the other. I can say Ibrahim to you bombs and son 300,000 near the other 100,200. And then when Yaji move ye on a press conference. Move your problem there. Up there, dear John Mama in the bush for the Ghana for. A dear pan or Munya Ghana for Obimpo. A brofo, Quamu, to Quamu Yamangina. Adeko. All your contract, I must say, why am for so many also Ghana? It's Cabrahim and no 2 years, we are here 2 years saying here, or your pan for so many also. And a tone as such a human individual and a proper crude debate. At the end, I 200 percent, yes, 12 is 30%. The way pass out the fool say, we need the call a baby say, normal. Yeah, the Mabrahim say, I know, say, me and the sister for temper, Ghana for me, sorry, that's the cause. I don't know what is that. Yet the crow will good. Among to me, want to money at the base of Mr. Percentage of the Ghana, and do 50%. Over to the funding in the free. Bibini Babe 2 we are percentage of Benyano, when we are so development of Mayan or here. Ibrahim Agyapong and Bibiano. Miguel say well done to Abrixi, the baby Hano, so at the end of the day, when you be one in that young Batoya, and the Hanipa. Yeah, Nipa sorry, Ibrahim, on your day. To the American say, President Nabusa Fosso, almost so Sabian Yakama Frina Kamadam Pine. What many people for the dear God do? That's what Pamwasam do, almost on Pamwasam, unless you move Babeque. Ibrahim the budget and comfortable Babatua, a bear woman. Near make you sure, Ibrahim the I cry certain work and the bay. Will be a baby few of his cabias or make sure the camera Bepicano, or make a picture. As a camera Picano. No Trebudi Amaya near Vieno, ye bear 4-5 will be a best study. What must I say? I remember was another Yamaka who's a between Kada. She cannot recommend another who's on my cavity time on the Canada team was that. Because I knew said evidence. Okay. Another call election lose yen 208 or lose election of pay $100,000 and $100,000 they say about 12 to 13 billion. Yeah. And pay no the book to come if you are some when the acquire the way the be abesiani one or kujanu no the koye. One person or two gabby in another. Yeah, that's my boy. Yeah, you're good. Thank you. And I'll say and Oji and Ibrahim Bafi. Well, yes, I am a friend, and I do have a pink line in house. I blow with beer, Munyan Solomumiano, Munyan Mumiano. I didn't go on 1 year. Ibrahim a bread do. At it's the Americans say, who opposition, let's open all the problem. And Yama, a yano, no, Nippon Tisnabaso, the young crowd when you support, and no one a year says, so do opposition at very reduced amount. But I don't know. NPP dem yes so be papa will be move so am ka some so beating play and Ibrahim play and another to no hard play back 1 hour be say $15,000 yeah what was say and no much and then brother I was so makoto be me brother use ade abetua ne say fuel and ye kokko pakia e honum kakra bit answer be ba no ye be no pe me yahwe Ghana for NPP for some tiase na do so bibi wom enti na no do no boka ko how many hours na odie o high play na how many hours enti kakase no e no na mo pe ti de na no do ya na nya no person we so ba the same thing na we de ni nua ye for bibi anto che unua tade ya say odia anyway no ma me cha sensa Ghana bu efre di ento a play broda o play bia ya ko fa go for di om di nam si the namsu ya me betri enu ni na dada na ba ko esi airport Ghana di dada What am I say? But for behind him, this is a time where I would have played a mona tear robber, I have a better robber. So I don't know the report. They make and say, Omunya do Muya, no one cast someone to Ghana for us. Now no cocoa farm, no more could give no more, what the banner could say, the banner could afford the bank could remember. And some force and moody, wanted to dear in opposition. What the only 1 year who obey 50, 60 years going? Hey, you have to prepare yourself well.
I mean, for 50, 60
years. Now, this is parliament. You will be able to have power better to know. The better to know who crap, man. Wow. Maybe you have one bomb because they said you sack crap for better to something. With the 40 come 70 when you have man in them. 50 plus 50. Well, what am I saying?
Mamma, Charles, you go walk a crowd of the Cassa and send me one. Now for you to me in this room.
Obrimpo. Ibrahim Mahama. I think sir or a Ghanaian.
Yes.
We the fact is President Yeni Nua Penina. Ya wono Ghana ha.
Yes.
Ghana na wa Yeni Numa. Menya humra bia ka se o nua be di president a untime nye adwuma Ghana ha.
Okay.
Me humra bia just wa busiani be nya tumi a eni kwan se o ye adwuma na wo benefit.
Okay.
Eye anu ni yedika. Into this issue no there were 3 legs.
Okay.
You have the law aspect of it, and there were ethics, and there were public perception. They say no a public perception and a general. A man for a dream when he say Ninia Penya be president in tea. And as a damai adio mudi chanensa. Among canny capacity. Mentis argument and so Ibia EMP Ibrahim only capacity no obit media yes Jumana or yano. You see, engineers and planners has existed and you know engineers and planners and a year Jumama companies are go face in as more equipment and omudi Juma mom. Do you get it?
Okay.
And a company say no what decided so this time around. Me Kwaku tour. What the minority should be doing, no? And some more question the capacity. So our capabilities na. Or the financial way that no without bit media ye Juma na ye di shine sanana. Who compare engineers and planners financial status now we need to two company now the lease I spy now
yes yes
no watch rest oh ebia because of we oh nisa strength in intino ebia mudi man no enye I have not heard that argument.
Okay.
Apart from me kasa ni nua penyi and near president but no mo kasa no omu yu afi say Akufo Addo abedi president why you mu bi no ministers oye onu ani nua minister Akufo Addo pen president appointing ba e wo Ghana ha conflict of interest and son of president you see Ibrahim Mahama was their testament before that no EMP engineers and planners
yes
Ghana for man ye djuma wo me wa
yes
ene edaso ye djuma two of us
true
abebie jata cement the crowd the osafuma afuba wo ye djuma ho
oh sir
yeah
okay
osafuma afuba wo ye djuma ewo jata cement
wow
what I say
okay
jata cement afagana for mu ye djuma yes anka ai no food ya pano ena ye piano emfanze Ibrahim Mahama ni nua penyi ye president why na onyase ni nua penyi na busani ye president awompe ni why na su nya ompe is it by accident that be and a opportunity na aba and a kwan na wo faso no this ultimate so kwan wo faso di ade no enye
kwampa
muntimi nche sai. You see, but problem my work on this issue no communication first Rafik ekoye post on Facebook say Ibrahim EMP is plan to invest $1.2 billion in a diamond. This what equipment by some 30 equipment to be a enam kwan so eco site.
Okay.
Do you get it? And who need do we aba? Then Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources issue statement that there could be a tender for the same mining concession. No. That is the confusion.
Wow.
And the idea could be a tender.
No,
BC me invest we more. What I say, wakoto equipment that means that a predetermined Obenya Adeno Dada. Entire communication from the ministry and Rafik's post. Sometimes people must be strategic in writing and posting. What I say?
Yeah.
Just sometimes people must be at least a little bit strategic in posting that kind of things you post. The timing is important. When I would picture pictures and never two any videos and never two, so people have seen the videos, they've seen this, and it's good. And beyond your proximity to Ibrahim, everybody knows the proximity of Rafik to Ibrahim.
Yeah.
So Rafik is not lying. Yes, Anity.
Yes.
And we'll go to Musa shall sell from 2022 and what have you. But then the another leg of the argument is 2022 is that non-objection letter now to a non-objection letter. But people are now talking about tender, competitive tender. So we be now man for show interest. And sana yeah decided to win. So why your negotiations with the company? We need the man for your negotiations. No mood the amount no more reach agreement. But now you should have published the agreement for us to see. Say yes, you have gone into this much better. Now, what is the ministry's role in all this in Tia? Adiekwana ministry in the letter we have to just so afe na ye could be tender.
Okay.
Are you getting the point?
Okay.
And what that is where the confusion comes from. We should be honest and tell the people the truth. Koviababwa letter would be too jado and the minority for Nijina so. Ibrahim is me by investing 1.2 billion. Ewo ha mato equipment that equipment nam kwan so a ekọ site also was me could be a tender
amobi aba
ma ya hwe what should say tender could be
see minority one person o ka say nipa na companies abeka ho no mo de o nim de
that is where the issue is coming from. Yeah. Sometimes just sometimes even time here kasaman vo vise ye mpenipa na ye tinipa we ya din na ya will tell you. We will let you know because a man for brain or one could to me in Aba. And 2 days over bomb by a baby amount, so be bomb by ye do my day. Send me a bear, bet me hold you on to the power or you multiply the years. Oh dear, yes, will be ye do my a did money ever bra buying. You get it? All these things give the government bad publicity. Where you never Emma buying opposition something to stand on and make noise. So there wouldn't be this noise. That is the issue. But yeah, why? Let us have one. No, 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 Dubai. So when I tell you, and I'm the can see hey, who can you see hey, who can you see hey, and some tintin data. That is all. Minister, say no, tell me. You need deal with. Mobeji or Muji Ibrahim in some way. That's a China for Nantimania. They could be because Omuntimi. I think Omudi and Ibrahim boast is Omupe what the capacity to do something in Jumano. Truly, they've been vindicated. So, more than what's our capacity when equipment wise and what have you. Oman Yano, Obian to me. Into the one deal we, you see. It's about time or two for, and not say to two. Okay, we say it's about time I say Ghana for locals. You take it over some mining, Numawi, because you stop mining, you take it over dollar repatriation. FS no more repatriating na a better Ghana. If you Numana hand and Nipa Benny Numana, and just then you know how to do it. A baby a corner say Ghana beyond 8.
Yes.
busy and domesticate and the Ghanaian say president Nuya. So the parties, Ibrahim is not an ordinary Ghanaian. And in the case of Ibrahim Mama, it is not like Obimpon Charles McCarthy and I didn't have the president in Tino. Was sorry, say in Okwakoye mining. That is not the case. We are talking about Ibrahim Mama Ewoha. Obia the brand the president ko timito private jet Ewo Ghana ha. Our money boom kasi wo sika da asika fo Ghana ha na kan wo mo Ibrahim kan na ho nkan ho da. Ono atimato private jet before and now the also koto fufu abai. A big castle will bev the this 51 meter 55 or 1 to me and to Ghana sika for you 1 month. We are talking about Ibrahim Mobia. What are you talking about? This is what we need to exploit. What is it? Oh, I have for and the car come to Kwabote negotiate. The car for play Kwabote no connect the car na breno. Now someone near can near be. And to know the brana ben is canny.
Oh, how?
No. Ibrahim became rich because Muhammad became president.
No.
That's why you cannot say Obianiga no bet Nagazi Ibrahim because the Brabe the president.
Even the NPP.
Nobody. Ibrahim Nankasa kasi president Kufo ne yo obi a okon wo dia advice na asifo Kufo made him. When he started, plan pool, plan pool company guya no. On a tour on the scraps no.
Okay.
He bought cannibalized everything then long time and then they will tell you who Ibrahim is. Until now dia obi betimi absini Boakasu ne bra abe president in Owanyaye. Because Ibrahim was sponsoring NPP long before ne bra abe president. Now in 2000 election my party 50 pickups.
NPP party.
Oh, 2004 Bisomo. Now, if I know your NPP, it was more NPP than NDC. If I need a flag bearer, and I do with fear, at least let me push my brother. And can yes, sir, Obiabe to Ibrahim wait. More of NPP than NDC.
Okay.
And he takes care of NPP 4 than NDC 4.
Wow.
But it was on record. Say, Oma Obi flag bearer be $100,000 money to go hospital. Listen, come on, OKFM. Them on move dinner. See, a month for Ghana, Obi Munjono. You were a man for there were nobody in this country. No no biao. No initiate to see ya love we are be in none from Rasta for and ne Mayi. All of a sudden they can own media conglomerate. House we build media houses where 5, 6 at a go. Where's it? Obia miso obia he. Ibrahim they say let anybody come and say the Brabe president no any man no contract we.
Another person Koko Nisika na Eswati no. Ene na mampeni John Dramani Mama Diama Ibrahim.
Na say the catchrem wo ha say electoral commission is problematic e more man we. Because ufa 1992 constitution now or see obi a obe qualify so call parliament na see we 18 years and above you must be of sound mind. What is it? No be obey sound mind. This is a psychiatric hospital. Echo check no.
Yes.
Once the electoral commission will be there.
Debbie.
Anything away or no.
Hey.
So the psychiatric clearance are okay, most of these ones won't be in parliament.
Wow.
I'm telling you, the electoral commission is our problem. So too many madmen in parliament. Turning out nonsense on our media airwaves every day. We are forced to call them honorable men. a madman in suit, you will call him honorable because obi anye nedwuma yie. Constitution is clear. Or say you must be 18 years and above.
With sound
you
mind.
Must be of sound mind. How do you determine a sound person? I say we call hospital report. Yeah, man, medical report. Electoral Commission demanding medical report to that. Number we say the financial clearance from G area. So what you tax there or moko jiji na. Me wa. So moko jiji.
Yes.
I don't know. I mental de omu nima. Omu ko di mental nimra. No yenhwe amanfo omu yare a yedi omu ko parliament.
Wow.
Esubeti. It would have been a way of sanitizing the people we send to parliament. Because I feel there are too many madmen there because we have not vetted them medically to know their state of mind before we send them there. And this one is a constitutional instruction. That's that Obina decides on Yeneduma. And yes, Ibrahim will call that mine as it is today.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.